Saving money in Nigeria is making you poorer. Yes, poorer. You save money for months, you deny yourself enjoyment, you reduce your spending, you are disciplined. But after 1 year, you check prices and you realize something painful. The same amount of money cannot buy the same things again. Transport has increased, food has increased, rent has increased, and you begin to wonder, am I even making progress, or is my money just shrinking quietly? If you have ever asked yourself this question, you are not alone. So today we will talk honestly. No fear, no hype, no panic.
First, let us understand what is happening. The Naira has faced serious pressure in recent years because of inflation and currency depreciation. Rising inflation reduces the purchasing power of savings and makes life harder for households. What this means in simple English is this: your money may still be in your account, but its value is reducing. So the real question is not whether your money is safe in the bank. The real question is whether your money is keeping its value. Because safety is not just about theft or fraud, it is also about inflation. This is why many Nigerians feel confused. They are doing the right thing by saving, but the results do not feel encouraging.
Now let me calm you down. Saving in Naira is not completely wrong. In fact, for daily life, it is necessary. Your rent is in Naira. Your food is in Naira. Your transport is in Naira. So you cannot completely avoid the Naira. Also, recent economic reforms and stronger foreign reserves can reduce extreme currency instability and support stability over time. So the goal is not to run away from the Naira. The goal is to be smart. The real danger is putting all your money in one place and hoping everything will be fine. That is not strategy. That is hope. And hope is not a financial plan.
Here is the biggest issue. Many Nigerians think saving money alone will make them financially secure. But saving without growth is slow. Let me explain. If your bank pays you 4 to 8% interest, but inflation is over 15%, your money is actually losing value. So even though the number in your account is increasing, your real financial power is decreasing. This is why some people save for years and still feel stuck. They are moving, but not moving forward. This is not your fault. Most people were never taught this.
Instead of asking, is saving in Naira safe? Ask a better question. How should I use Naira wisely? Here is the smarter way. Use Naira for, first, emergency funds. You need money you can access quickly. If you convert everything to dollars or long-term investments, you may struggle during emergencies. Second, short-term goals. If you need money in the next 1 or 2 years, Naira savings can still work. Third, high-yield Naira investments. Treasury bills and government bonds often offer higher returns and are considered relatively safe because they are backed by the government. Some Naira investments today can even beat inflation when returns are strong enough. So the Naira is not your enemy, but it should not be your only plan.
Many financially smart Nigerians are now doing something different. They are diversifying. This means they do not put all their money in one currency. They keep some in Naira, some in dollar-based assets, some in investments that grow. Experts often recommend this balanced approach instead of panic decisions. Why? Because no one knows the future. If the Naira stabilizes, you are protected. If it weakens, you are also protected. This reduces stress. Financial peace is powerful.
Now, let us move from theory to real life, because information is only useful when you know what to do next. Here is a simple and practical structure you can start using immediately. First,
Build your emergency fund in Naira. This is your financial shock absorber. It is the money that protects you when life happens. And in Nigeria, life happens often. So this is not optional. Start by calculating your monthly survival expenses. That means food, transport, rent contribution, basic bills. If your survival expenses are 120,000 naira per month, your first target is 120,000 naira, 1 month of security. After that, aim for 3 months. Now, where should you keep this money? Not in your normal account. That is too easy to touch. You want something that is easy to withdraw during emergencies, but not too easy to spend, and gives better returns than a regular savings account. Many Nigerians today use digital savings platforms like Cowrywise, PiggyVest, or money market funds offered by banks and asset managers. These options often give better returns than traditional savings accounts and help you lock your money for a period so you do not spend it carelessly. The goal is not high returns. The goal is safety and discipline.
Second, once your emergency fund is in place, start moving into growth assets. What does this mean in real life? It means your money should start working for you. For many Nigerians, the simplest entry point is government-backed investments like treasury bills and bonds. These are relatively low risk and often pay higher returns than regular savings. You can access these through your bank or through investment platforms like Stanbic IBTC Asset Management, ARM Investment Managers, or similar licensed asset managers. You can also start small with mutual funds. These allow professionals to invest your money across different assets so you do not need deep technical knowledge. You do not need millions to start. Many platforms allow you to begin with small amounts and grow over time. Third, gradually add exposure to dollar-based assets. This does not mean you must rush and convert all your money to dollars. That is not wise. It means you slowly build protection against currency risk.
How do you do this? Some Nigerians open domiciliary accounts, save part of their income in dollars, invest in dollar mutual funds, and use regulated platforms that give access to foreign assets. Some platforms like RiseVest or Bamboo allow Nigerians to invest in foreign stocks and dollar-denominated assets with relatively small amounts. The idea is balance. You are not running away from the Naira, you are building protection and growth. Start small, even 5 to 10% of your savings. Over time, this creates stability and peace of mind. And most importantly, do not rush, do not panic, do not follow every social media trend. Build slowly, learn as you go. This is how real wealth is built, quietly and consistently.
Let me leave you with this. Saving in Naira is not the problem. The problem is saving without a clear strategy. You do not need to panic. You do not need to follow every trend. You just need balance, structure, and patience. Start where you are. Start small. Build your emergency fund. Learn, grow, protect your future one step at a time. And remember, your goal is not just to save money. Your goal is to build financial stability and peace of mind. If this video helped you, please like the video so more Nigerians can see it. Drop a comment and tell me your biggest concern about saving right now. Share this with someone who needs this information. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you don't miss the next video. We are building real financial confidence here, step by step. Let's win together.